you feeling a bit confused about what order to layer your skincare in, and where the heck does your sunscreen fit into your routine? Then stay tuned. Hello, I'm Amanda Ramsey, your over 40s makeup expert. Let's go through the layering of your skin. Start with cleanser, whether that's a gel cleanser, foaming cleanser, hydrating cream cleanser. Cleanse is number one. Step 2 is a hydrating toning mist or pore refining mist. Your eye serum, if you're using an eye product, is best layered after you've done your toning mist and before your face serum. Next step is layering your serums. It may be just one serum, it may be 2 to 3 serums. There are no rules around which serum comes before the next serum. It's all about that sort of lightweight, liquidy gel texture is what you're going to layer next. Choose your serum based on your skin type and your skin's needs that particular day. The next step is your face oil. If you look at the consistency of the products, that gives you a clue as to how to layer. So once you've got your skin nice and clean, so it's ready to absorb what comes next, we've got the lightweight spray, then we've got the gel lightweight textured serum, then we've got our heavier face oil, and then the next will be your moisturizers. So we're going in the weight and consistency of the products. Damp hands or damp skin, your face oil. Next step is your moisturizer, which sort of locks everything in. Now you can sometimes skip this step and go straight to sunscreen, because a lot of sunscreens these days are very moisturizing. So if you've got very dry skin, you may find you want to put your moisturizer on now. For many of you, a moisturizing sunscreen at this point will be enough. So sunscreen is the final step in your skincare routine before you reach for makeup, or even on those makeup-free days. Sunscreen is the final step. So there you have it, ladies. I hope that's helped make sense of how to layer your skincare products for skincare success, longer lasting makeup that sits a whole lot better, and healthier, more glorious looking skin. Sunscreen is always the final step in your skincare routine. I'm Amanda Ramsey, your over 40s makeup expert. If you've enjoyed these little insider top tips, debunking some of the overwhelm and confusion out there in beauty land, let me know in the comments below. And of course, any questions, please pop them also in the comments below, or send me a direct message. I'm here to help guide you to skincare makeup confidence at every age. I'll see you next time.